So I'm actually walking along the beach. I'm actually looking for a girlfriend. Would you be my girlfriend?
I don't know.
What do you mean? You don't know. You're gonna tell me that behind the cameras.
Yes, I'll tell you behind the cameras. Maybe kuna msichana aniona huko pia anaweza kwa
So do you have a boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
So you're single?
I'm very single, but not searching.
You're not searching?
Yeah.
You're just chilling?
I'm just here chilling. Yeah, I just want to enjoy my life. Yeah, you only live once, bro. My name is Sheikh.
Where are you from, Sheikhs?
I'm from Nairobi.
You're from Nairobi. When did you arrive here?
I arrived here on Friday. On Friday.
So why are you guys here?
We've come to have some fun for a vacation, to refresh ourselves from studies. Yeah, we just need some refreshment, and we thought Coast could be the best place for us.
Beautiful. So are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student.
What year?
Second year.
What do you study?
I study film production.
What's that?
Film production entails directing, editing. We make films, we make movies, we do camera work and all stuff.
Like me?
Yeah, like exactly what I do at school.
Oh, nice. So what sort of food do you like?
Sorry?
What sort of food do you like?
Actually, personally, I prefer eating junks, snacks. Yeah, they are good for me.
They're not healthy.
And biryani, especially biryani ya mbuzi. Yeah.
There's biryani ya mbuzi?
Yeah, it's sweet, bro. Very sweet. Hata ya kuku, yeah.
Okay. So I'm actually walking along the beach. I'm actually looking for a girlfriend. Would you be my girlfriend?
I don't know.
What do you mean? You don't know. You're gonna tell me that behind the cameras.
Yes, I'll tell you behind the cameras. Maybe kuna msichana aniona huko pia anaweza kwa
So do you have a boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
So you're single?
I'm very single, but not searching.
You're not searching?
Yeah.
You're just chilling?
I'm just here chilling. Yeah, I just want to enjoy my life. Yeah, you only live once, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your Instagram? Do someone wanna follow you?
Instagram, you can follow me at Miss Sheikhs. Miss Sheikhs.
Do you wanna spell that for these guys?
Yeah, I must spell MISS, then a full stop, SHAKES. Yeah, that's my Instagram name.
Just final question. Why do you think a lot of ladies are like single?
Okay, personally, I'll speak for myself. Personally, I'm single because I think this is not my right time to be in a relationship. Yeah, relationship got some many commitments and such stuff, so I don't have that time for commitments. I want to have my own time with my friends, yeah, with my family, not my boyfriend. A boyfriend baadaye, bro. Siku bado. Akikuja nitamchukua when I'm ready to settle.
Do you masturbate?
I don't masturbate.
How do you survive? Be honest. Decide.
Sikuna mtu mahali.
Oh, so there's someone somewhere. Oh, you're using those dildos?
No, semi napenda mtu.
I got one in my bag. If you want, I can give you one.
No, I like mtu.
You like what? Oh, you like the actual stuff?
I like the real things. Sitaki vitu fake.
So where do you get that?
Don't worry.
There's no boyfriend.
Don't worry. I've got that someone.
But when I become your boyfriend, you're gonna kick that one out?
I don't know.
Maybe. We'll discuss about that.
We'll discuss about it.
My channel is called OS, so just look at this camera and tell these people to go and do all those things that us YouTubers always tell them to do at the end of our videos. Okay,
so guys, go subscribe in his channel, like all the videos, watch, and make sure you click that subscription bell for anytime he uploads any video. You're there for it.
Legit. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Give me a hug. Nice to meet you. We'll definitely share photos with you, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Can I get a pic, yeah? Thank you. Legit.